5 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over which side? For near Trenton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Leghorn, Roosevelt, Washington Crossing, Windsor, Woodstock, Edinburgh, Crossway, White Horse, and some Rivers. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between the end of 7 and 6, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 12, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.